Are you a student, researcher, or just someone who loves exploring academic knowledge? Have you ever struggled to find reliable research papers, citations, or scholarly articles? Well, today we are diving deep into Google Scholar, your ultimate tool for academic research. By the end of this video, you'll learn what Google Scholar is, how to use it, and how to track your research impact with Google Scholar citations. So let's get started. Google Scholar is a free search engine designed specifically for academic and scholarly resources. Unlike Google Search, which shows general web results, Google Scholar focuses on research papers, journal articles, books, conference proceedings, patents, and even legal documents. Key features of Google Scholar: search academic literature, access citations and references, track research metrics, get alerts for new research. While Google Search gives you blogs and news articles, Google Scholar provides peer-reviewed, credible academic content. That's why it's widely used by students, researchers, and professionals. How to use Google Scholar? Searching for papers. To get started, go to scholar.google.com. In the search bar, enter a topic, author name, or article title. Let's say we are looking for papers on artificial intelligence in healthcare. Pro tips for searching efficiently: use quotation marks for exact phrases. Artificial intelligence in healthcare. Use author to search for papers by a specific researcher. Example, author John Doe. Filter results by year or source on the left panel. You can also filter results by time to find the latest research or specific journals. Creating a Google Scholar profile. If you are a researcher or an author, you can create a Google Scholar citations profile to track your publications and citation metrics. Steps to set up a profile. Sign in with your Google account. Go to Google Scholar Citation. Enter your name, affiliation, and research interests. Add your publications. Google may suggest them automatically. Set your profile to public to make it visible to others. Once your profile is set up, you can see how often your work has been cited and track metrics like the H-index and I-10 index. Citations metrics explained. H-index measures impact based on highly cited papers. I-10 index counts papers with at least 10 citations. This helps researchers showcase their impact in academia. Need to cite a paper? Just click the Cite button under any article and Google Scholar will generate citations in APA, MLA, Chicago, Harvard, and more. You can also export citations to Zotero, EndNote, Mendeley, or BibTeX for easy reference management. This saves you time when writing research papers. Setting up alerts. Want to stay updated on the latest research? Google Scholar lets you set up alerts for your topics. Now, how to set up those alerts? Click the envelope icon on the search page. Stay ahead with the latest research in your field. This is super helpful for researchers and students keeping track of new publications. And that's how you can use Google Scholar to find research papers, track citations, and manage academic references effortlessly. Quick recap. Google Scholar is equal to academic search engine, papers and citations. Set up Google Scholar profile to track your publications. Export references and set alerts for new research. Do you use Google Scholar? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more academic tips and research tools. Thank you so much.